tortoise. This is a crocodile. This is a dog. The dog is a very faithful animal. This is a cow. It gives us milk. This is a donkey. It helps us in carrying goods. This is a goat. The goat gives us milk. This is a horse. The horse runs very fast. This is a sheep. The sheep gives us the wool. This is a duck. This is an eagle. This is a hen. This is an owl. This is a parrot. This is a pigeon. This is a sparrow. This is a swan. This is a peacock. This is a turkey bird. This is a butterfly. This is a snail. This is an ant. This is a housefly. This is a honey bee. This is a mosquito. This is a brinjal. This is a cabbage. These are potatoes. These are ladies' fingers. This is a bottle gourd. These are tomatoes. These are onions. These are lemons. This is a mango. These are red chilies. These are carrots. This is a tamarind. This is a bitter gourd. This is a capsicum. These are green chilies. This is an apple. This is a mango. These are bananas. This is a watermelon. This is a pineapple. These are grapes. This is an orange. This is a melon.